Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're at a 3-story townhome community in Smyrna, Georgia. So yeah, you heard it correct, 3 stories. This community is by the builders of Lennar and it's called Cumberland Station. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a little bit of everything. I know if you're looking behind me, you can kind of see that they're still in the construction phases, but that's okay. That's actually great for you guys. If you wanna get into this community, it's the perfect time because they are still building, so they still have homes to sell. As you see, you'll see a little bit of the construction, but you'll still be able to see the magic and the beauty of the home. So I'm really excited about showing this. Just a little information before we get started. So like I said, it is 3 stories. It is in Smyrna, Georgia, and the builders are Lennar. They're currently starting at mid to low 500s. And that comes with everything. So all the finishes, countertops, flooring, white cabinets, all that you're looking at, it does come with that. They do, again, they're still in the building phases, so you can pick out a home based off of your preferences. So if you're wanting granite countertops, or if you're wanting something different, they do have those options, and they have homes that you can go into. They also still have end units, you guys, so get it while you can. So let's go ahead and get started with this tour and show you this beautiful home. Okay, you guys, so we're starting in the heart of most homes, the kitchen. I love, and I know a lot of people, you guys probably love how open concept this is. We're actually on the 2nd floor of this home. Like I said, it is 3 floors. You would have your front door entry. You would go up some stairs, and then you would come into, the kitchen. And this would kind of be like it's the 2nd floor of the home, but it would really look like the 1st floor for many people. So let's dive into this. First of all, I love this little, office space that you have right here. A lot of people, we work from home these days. So you have an area where you can just work. It's open concept. You're still in your kitchen interacting with your family, friends, whoever you have over, but you have your own desk. Beautiful island, you guys. Beautiful island. Think about how many seats can be at this island. Then, of course, think about all the appliances that it does come with. So, of course, you have your dishwasher, you have your stove, you have, your microwave, but also toaster oven up here. And then, your gas range. So that's amazing that, it comes with the price of the home. Stepping out of the kitchen, you're walking right into, your living room area. So very spacious, fireplace. You have some built-ins as well, some drawers. And then once you're stepping out of that, look at all these windows. That's the one thing I'll point out for the rest of this tour. Look at all the natural light. The one we're in right now is actually not an in unit, and I know that's a lot of complaints for people is they don't get that natural light because they don't have windows on the left or right of them. We're smack dab in the middle of 2 other townhomes. And look at all of this beautiful light behind me. As we go around the corner, there is a hallway between the living room and the stairs. You will see a half bath and then another desk right there. So you can actually use the other desk in the kitchen as a bar or a coffee station. Then let's take one more stop back into the living room to peek at this balcony. If you look out, you can actually see the construction that they're doing in the community. As I stated before, there's workers still working on buildings, so this is the perfect time to get in. We are now on the 3rd floor of this home. This would be where all of your bedrooms are. With this community, they do have 2 separate plans. So either you can do a 4-bedroom or you can do 3 bedrooms, which would come with 2 separate owner suites. So come on upstairs. Okay guys, so we are actually between floor 2 and 1. We're about to go down to the basement so you guys can see that yourselves. But I just wanted to show you the stairwells. Like I said before, you would have an entry to, your front door where most of your gas packages, everything would be. You come up the stairs, you're in your kitchen behind us. Then this is actually the way to go downstairs to, your first floor where you would have that walkout patio. You would have, extra space as well where you can do things with that. So we'll go downstairs. Right now we're on the landing. Going down the steps, the first thing you're going to see is an open space that I like to consider the game room. Then moving into the hallway, you're going to see a small built-in mudroom with a bench off the garage. Then there's a bedroom. Then there's the garage. So going back into the game room, you're actually going to see a door. That's your door to your patio, and your patio is actually directly below your balcony, so you do get good shade. Last but not least, there is a stairwell that comes off your garage. This is the stairwell, and it goes up to the rest of your house. Just a quick mention, these are photos of the outside of the homes. They are still completing construction, but from the pictures, you can see the different elevations. So your home doesn't have to look exactly like your neighbor. They do have options, and all the elevations offered are very sleek and modern. Thank you guys so much for taking time to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, my name is Micaiah. My contact information is in the description below, and I will catch you guys at the next video home tour.